Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Maheen, and we are on a very different note today. I am sharing a poem which I have written a few years ago when I was in medical school. This upload is especially for one of my favorite PG in Medical Unit 5 because he cannot understand my Garhi Urdu properly. So here you go, Dr. Adam. I hope you enjoy. और हाँ, एक बात और, अगर आप M5 आए और डॉक्टर एडम से ना मिले तो पहले ये बताइए आप M5 आए हैं क्यों? So let's get started.
I was dreaming of being a doctor, cause only two renowned professions were there, doctor and engineer. So I got into school, people called me doctor when I was in first year. I saw them and smiled when they told me their disease only Panadol was prescribed. And the module was there, professors were conventional, Dr. Najib's video lecture was always there. I studied 8 in 7, I got good positions, leaving all wedding sessions and the family gathering. You know what? What I got? The thing which I dream of. Oh yeah. Now I have doctor degree. As a junior doctor, can confidently prescribe rice they can never raw. Performing NGs day and night and falling in and out, sending patient here and there, and patient call me sister. Oh no. I'm dreaming of being a para doctor still.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I can speak Urdu very well. तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा.